Hi everybody, look, it's me, your girl, the Purple Dupple. Cody loves Minecraft. Yes, I love Minecraft with all my heart. But we ain't talking about Minecraft today, we're talking about a friend of mine. My best friend is a girl. My only best friend, and will ever be my best friend. I'm just kidding, I have multiple other best friends. Like, my friend, Gotcha Studio, XX, Gotcha _ Studio, XX. Go check her out, yes. She's best. But today we're going to be talking about my first best friend I ever met in second grade. Second grade wasn't the time for me, but I never had friends before because I've always moved, and this is the first time I actually stayed in one place. So I got to keep a friend. So now we call ourselves best friend and best friend number one. It's like thing one, but it's best friend one and best one two. Thing one and thing two. Yeah, you get it. Okay, so we both love anime with all our heart, and we both love drawing, but I'm a better drawer. You can obviously tell from my beautiful animation. But, rainbows. It's just, okay. I don't know if she's gonna let me do this. If she yells at me in real life and after Thanksgiving. If she's at school, because she's been sick for the whole week last week. Well, not the whole week, but still the whole week. And I only got to stay home one day, which is Thursday, and I got to go to school on, what's it called? Wednesday. Wednesday and Friday, Tuesday. We had no school Monday, so it was great. Okay, so this girl was my best friend since second grade. We've always hanged out, but in third grade, we just ignored each other. Well, we did talk, but in the restroom, so, ew. But in fourth grade, we hanged out with a girl. We're gonna call her Belle, because I was doing something, and I called the girl Belle, so, Belle, and we were called the ABCs. So, you guys already know, I was the A, my best friend was a C, and the other girl, Belle, was the B, so it was ABC. ABC. 1, 2, 3. Eventually, we got more friends, and it was A, C, C, B, B, L, L, K. Is K before L? I don't remember, but, cause I'm dumb. But, yeah, fourth grade was a crazy grade. Let's just talk about my teacher before we finish talking about her. My teacher hated me. You know how I know my teacher hated me? She just got mad at me whenever she wanted. My math teacher loved me, cause she knows my brother. My brother's reading teacher is my homeroom teacher, and now my brother's math teacher is my math teacher. It was a great year. It was a great year. Okay, fifth grade. Fifth grade is the worst grade you could ever be in. This is the grade where you learn about what is it called? Disasters and language arts and tests pretty much every single week. It's like high school. College, where you have exams every single week and day, and it's every single month. It's the worst. And in my classrooms, we can't draw, which is, I don't know, the worst for me, because I'm an artist. So before we left to vacation for Thanksgiving, my science teacher gave me a note, and it said, this is specifically what the note said. It said, Addison, I am thankful for your artistic ability in every way. Miss, I was going to call her actual name, but then I was like, never mind. My friend's probably gonna get mad at me for saying her name out loud on the internet. So, we're gonna call her Miss Science Teacher. From Miss Science Teacher to you. And it was a good note. My friend didn't get one because she wasn't there, so ha. But, everyone else got notes. They didn't tell me what they got on their notes, so I didn't really care much. But the one thing I hated the most out of all my groups, I loved reading, writing, language arts, which is pretty much language arts. It's all together. Language arts, science, history. But the one thing I hate the most is math. People say math is amazing, but I hate math. It's like my weakness. Every time someone says meth, it kills me. I hate meth. Like, people always say meth is amazing. It's everything. It's pretty much like your computer screen. It's meth. And then, like, when you animate, it's meth. But it's not meth. You know, people say slime is meth. But then, slime isn't meth. It's science. You know how I know slime is science? My science teacher said it is science. Because we got to make it one day in class. So, we got to make slime in class. But let's get back to this girl, my friend. We'll call her Cece. No, we'll call her Coco, because that's what everyone calls her these days now. I'm dying. You can tell from my ugly voice. So, this girl was my best friend. She always draws, but it was really bad drawings. I can finally say that. Like, she says I hurt her she does everything for me, but then she does everything for me, and then I do nothing for her. When, basically, I shared my YouTube channel with her once. I still do. I just changed the name more often. I don't call it Cody and something loves Minecraft, because she can't even play Minecraft, because she said it scammed her. You guys can tell. Like, you know my Meep City video with her? Like, every time she said hi, it was like, dang, girl, stop. I hated playing Roblox with her because she always played these weird games and I never liked them and I hated them. And she's a cheerleader and, well, I'm over here being all tomboy and be like, I don't care about you and anyone else. I only care about my art. One day, my teacher, my language arts teacher, my favorite teacher, my homeroom teacher was like, okay, I'm gonna take it to the next level. I'm gonna take her art and keep it for myself. Never give it back to her again. She still hasn't given me back my drawing of my friend. So sad. But yeah. Ooh, let's talk about my other friend. Gotcha Studio. XX Gotcha _ Studio XX. Yeah, it's a weird name, but I love it. I love Gotchaverse. I love everything. So she's a good friend. We're gonna call her L. Wee Wee. I think that's what her family calls her. Wee Wee. I don't remember. Wee Wee sounds like an inappropriate word, so I'm just gonna call her Lily, because it sounds more like her name. Or Lele. Yeah, there you go. Lele is her nickname now. So Lele is a good person. Lele is my favorite person in this world. The second person is my favorite person, because Aphmau is life, and wait, what? Wee Wee. Not Wee Wee. Lele is best, and she loved my art, unlike Coco, because Coco. I just realized everyone's nickname I'm telling in this video is like the same word, but twice. Okay, well, Lele was better than Coco. I loved Lele. Like, she was my best friend, and she will always be my best friend. Okay, so Lele loved the same thing as me, like Little Pet Shops, YouTube, everything, Color Code Critters, arts. She was a good drawer. I was inspired by her. She was my inspirement, besides Jaden Animations and other ones out. But that doesn't matter. She was my favorite person in this world because, like, she made me feel like I'm wanted again. I'm wanted. Because 3rd grade, everyone hated me. My friend, which is Coco's cousin, moved. And so now I'm just like, girl, I love that you're gone. I'm happy. Me and my other friend that also know Coco's cousin don't even talk anymore because we're like, hey, have you heard from such and such? And then the other one's like, no, you? I'm like, no. I don't even have a phone, so, how am I supposed to keep in touch? You're the only one that can. Okay, well, Lele was best. She cared about me, unlike Coco. Coco didn't care. Oh, did I ever tell y'all about that ice cream incident at school? 4th grade, we had lunch. It was a Thursday. You know how I know it was a Thursday? every Thursday, they give us ice cream, and I love ice cream. But the only problem is, I only like chocolate and cotton candy flavored ice cream. The flavored ice creams, like the good stuff. I don't like strawberry or vanilla. Well, I like vanilla, but I want to eat it every single day of my life on Thursday. Every single Thursday. But one day I got the ice cream. I had milk, and it was strawberry ice cream this day, and I put milk in my ice cream, and you probably already know what's happening here. I put milk inside my ice cream. I mixed it. Since the ice cream was so hard, I didn't, because I was supposed to let it sit, but I didn't. I just mixed. I mixed it and mixed it and mixed it, but I was going so fast. Like, 5 more times. The 6th time, I went so fast, it spilled all over me, and I got in trouble by the librarian. Everyone knows the librarian's strict, right? Yeah, our librarian is so strict. Like, dang. My Coco, she stood there and started laughing half to death. Every time I bring it up, she's like, every time I bring it, I'm like, you didn't even help me that day, and it hurt my feelings. And she's like, I did help you. I cleaned you up. No, she didn't. She just stood there laughing half to death. And then when we got back in math, you know what this librarian did? You know what she did? She took dojo points off of me because I was being stupid in lunch. And I wasn't even being stupid that day. I was being smart. I was making some strawberry vanilla milk ice cream. Some milkshake. I was making a milkshake. You know how I know I was making a milkshake? I remember this day so well. And I remember the exact same words. She's like, how did this happen? And I say, oh, I'm making a milkshake. She said, how did this happen, though? I said, oh, I was mixing my ice cream with my milk. And then I was going to add some whipped cream after I was done mixing it. But then I remembered before I was finished mixing my milkshake. I forgot the whipped cream at home. I love whipped cream. Does everyone else like whipped cream? I love whipped cream. Oh, wait. We're supposed to be talking about about the ice cream incident. I'm over here talking about whipped cream. Whipped cream. Okay, so I finished talking, and then she says, okay, well, just don't do that next time. We get all in line, like it's time to go. We finish eating. We get all in line. We get back into class. We hear the sad sound, like, beanie, or something. I forgot what it sounds like, because I don't hear it every single day. As no one gets dojo points taken away, so, in this grade. We just hear, like, the sad sound when it's, like, beanie or something, or, yeah, something sad, like a really bad sound, like the buzzer on America's Got Talent. We hear that sound in the middle of math. Our math teacher goes and checks it. We're gonna call her About because her name sounds like About. So, Miss About checks dojo, and sees that I got dojo points taken away because I was being stupid in lunch. It was from, you know who? The librarian. Yes, the librarian hates me. Yep. The librarian always hated me for some reason. She just didn't like me, like, one bit at all. Like, she hated me, literally. This woman is crazy. The teacher said, what did you do? And I said, I was making a milkshake. And I remembered I had no whipped cream. And then I spilled all of my ice cream and milk all over myself. And Chloe stood there laughing, and she didn't help me. And then, and then Coco's like, I did help you. Don't be lying to the teacher. I'm like, no, I'm not lying to the teacher. I'm telling the truth. Because I am the one who spilt it all over myself. I remember it, okay? I remember it like it was yesterday. Okay, well, since our time's already halfway up, I'm just gonna do my outro and leave y'all to yourselves. So, I'm dying. So this, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Good floofing. Bye.